Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. This is the Xperia 10 III, and it's the first Sony mid-ranger that comes with 5G connectivity. What else does it bring to the table? Let's go over its key features and find out. The Xperia 10 III brings a very similar look to its predecessor, with its compact form factor and flat back. Even though it's not a flagship, the Xperia 10 III's back panel is made from Gorilla Glass 6, and the same material protects the screen as well. You also get IP68 rated water resistance here, just like last year. The display is a 6-inch OLED with a tall 21:9 aspect ratio and 1080p resolution. You get HDR support here too, but despite popular trends, the refresh rate is just a standard 60Hz. You get a single front-facing speaker for your audio. I wish there was a top speaker too for a full stereo setup. There's also a 3.5mm jack for headphones. Or if you want to connect wireless headphones, there's support for LDAC, Sony's high-res wireless audio. You get 128 gigs of storage on board, which is expandable. And to wake up and unlock the phone, there's a side-mounted fingerprint reader built into the power button. The Xperia 10 III runs on a Snapdragon 690 5G chipset, the same as what you'd find in the OnePlus Nord N10. Overall, we expect performance to be nothing outstanding, but solid for the class, and the Android 11 interface seems to run smoothly. The phone has a decent-sized 4500 mAh battery, much larger than last year's model. I'm not expecting much for charging speed though, at least from the bundled 7.5 watt adapter. And finally, on the back, the Xperia 10 III has 3 cameras, a 12-megapixel main cam, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel 2x telephoto cam. It's all pretty similar to what we saw in last year's model. It's quite a versatile setup, but we hope the image quality is better this time around. But you do get some neat features that also appear on the flagships, like 10 FPS burst shooting with auto exposure for each shot. So there you have it guys, the Xperia 10 III actually looks quite similar to last year's Xperia 10 II, except for the 5G connectivity and bigger battery. But we do hope the improvements run even deeper than that. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full review.